Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Adding videos to your WordPress post can really make your content look more attractive as well as interactive. Now, in this video, you'll be learning how you can easily embed videos in your WordPress blog posts. These videos can be from YouTube, Facebook, Vimeo, or many other websites which are available for video hosting. So in order to add videos to your blog post, what you need to do is first hover on to post and then click on add new. Now, you can also add video by the same process into any of the existing posts. So you can either click on edit on any of the existing posts as well, but for now we are just going for a new post. Now add a title here and then you need a video URL. So for example, I want to use this video in my blog post. So I'll copy this video's URL and I'll paste this URL in the post screen or wherever you want this video to be. And now as soon as I paste this video URL, WordPress will fetch the embed code and display the YouTube video inside the content editor. Then let's click the publish button. And let's preview it to see if it's actually working or not. So as you can see that the YouTube video is embedded into your WordPress blog. Now this is only one of the methods. Usually what happens is that there is an embed code provided with each video by each video hosting website. So you need to get that code and paste that code exactly in the same manner like you pasted that link, and that will also display your video in the embedded form. So this is how you can easily embed videos into your WordPress blog posts. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.